Alright y'all, me and Michael's out here on Neely Henry today. Saturday, April 6th. We're way up in the river and we're going to be trying some different stuff today just to see if we can get on some fish, maybe find some new spots, just do some exploring. So y'all come along with us and we'll see what we do. Put the down hammer. I'll see it the whole time. Might have one there. Put the whooping on it. Got it. These bait. We done got some more bait. That is a little fella. He's hooked and lassoed around the hook. Hey, we ain't skunked. Dude, he's in your lines already. I hope he ain't in your line, but I don't know. He shot straight that way. I'm talking shot. You're good. You're good. Sorry, I hate you, dude. He's floored that motherfucker. I don't even know. I don't even think it's that big, but he floored this thing. You see how he holds that down? Mm-hmm. He's like spinning already. Yeah, I don't know why. I let off pressure on him for 1 second. And my other one's set up for doing stuff with the dam, so I'll have to try to every freaking dam. Perfect. He's pulling drag. Dude, he's pulling. That's all fish. We need to know. He's going your way. This is a good one. Tell him, ain't bad anyway. Or he's just mean, one of the two. About to pass the boat. Good thing I got long arms.
Mm-hmm. I wouldn't be able to do that.
Good. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a blue or a flathead or... No, don't go crazy.
You want me to
I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I didn't think this was gonna happen.
Yep.
I thought maybe we'll catch a fish, you know.
Yeah.
His head shakes.
I see his bubble.
Whoa, what a flathead. also in ripping current. I got a good flathead in shallow water. His mouth is like a 5-gallon bucket at the moment. He's a nice one though. Oh, got him. Woo! Heck yeah. Man, that was hectic. You can go however. I'm gonna get out of the way. Heck yeah. He ain't no like giant, but for here it's a really nice flathead. What's that shad head? He's over 30, I guarantee it. Well, I thought he was big though. Fish been fooling us here lately. I think we need to be out here catching more fish. But when they hit in water that ain't real deep, they'll surprise. I knew he wasn't coming off. He was on there. Well, pretty much on there.
He was looking pretty good.
Well, at least it wasn't a fight to get it out. Still good to go.
Should have left him in that.
That tree. Huh? Dude, I put it, I put it in between that one and that one, right on the bank. It's a pretty good one. Best one I've caught all year as far as flathead goes. That one feller that commented on my last video said that I ain't supposed to unhook the fish before I show him. What am I supposed to do? Lift him up with the hook in his mouth? Come on, man.
Oh yeah, got.
That hook got him good right there in the corner of the mouth. That's a good one. We'll take him. Be nice to have him about 3 weeks from now. Give me a couple pictures. I knew he was a 30. 30-pound flathead in really shallow water, right on the bank in a tree. Gonna turn him loose, y'all, so somebody else can catch him. All right, buddy. He about passed the boat too.
Yep.
He's still holding on to it. I get him. He's going towards the middle line. Got him?
Man,
He came out of this line, I know that one.
He's still there. Thought he came on.
What is that?
That's wrong.
Hell yeah, catch him. What you waiting on, Hoss? We got a drum, baby. You fellers know what that means. We got more bait. He's a pretty good one too. I know where he needs to go. Yeah. He'll stay cold. The only thing about shad, you will catch drum.
Oh, I love it.
Really?
Oh, what?
Bass fishing.
Bass fishing or just like catfishing.
Yeah.
Like even like down by Chili's.
Show them the drum. I don't know if they seen it.
I forgot. Yeah.
You do catch these sometimes, but good thing is they double for bait, and bait is something that we don't have a lot of variety.
I think the next spot might put the head on.
Old Blue that got mad at it.
Oh, number 6 was going to be the one that goes first. Number 6 was.
My God. I ain't even got a rod in the water. What? Whooping on. Heck yeah. Well, we caught a drum, as y'all seen, and I'm cutting him up because I want to try some, and Michael's over here just pairing them up. You begging? Flathead. Okay. Operation Titty Brim
Is a go.
is rivers.
Definitely a go.
Well, I like that. Hey, Nick, I'm still trying to. I'm waiting on number 6 to get smoked. Then you'd be 3 for 3. Before I even put a rod in the water. Oh, dude, I heard that noise and I thought she was running and grabbing it. I was like, are you kidding? Heck yeah.
Take the jacket off. It's hot.
Heck yeah. Fish whooping on you. Look at them. I bet he's had lampreys on him. Look at them circles. These are real pretty fish. That's some crazy. And there's another one on the side of his face. They're all over him.
He's got something still eating. This is off the hook. Weird whiskers.
I looked over there and seen that rod bending over and forgot there was a fish on it. Oh, he got another one.
Yep. This is pretty.
Jack Cook. Jack, oh, I mean, his colors are pretty, but he's got some wild looking.
You want want a picture of them?
Hold on, let me get my last one counted up. Cast it out.
That's for the 80s landing.
Just show them first. They want to see.
Oh, yeah. They want to see.
Done made that known. We'll weigh him real quick. I'm gonna say he's 15 to 20.
14.8. Exactly.
15 and 3/4. All right, there's a
The whisker.
15-pound flathead going back. And now he's got to land the blue that he's got. He was fighting. He was fighting that one whenever he got another one. And we ain't been in this spot, but I forgot and I didn't turn the camera on immediately. We ain't been in this spot but just a minute, not long at all. Yeah, I think I'm about to take my hoodie off. I'm starting to roast too, and I ain't even had to mess with fish. Not yet. I'm using some bait that they might not want though, who knows? A couple pieces of cut drum and a skipjack head. We don't even have skipjack in this river. But you never know. I have caught them with skipjack here before. Wouldn't be the first time. Even flatheads. Yeah, we ain't gotta weigh him. We can just show him we got a yeah. Decent little blue. He hit the rod harder than the flathead did. Yeah.
There's odds on this stuff too.
Yeah. Well, I reckon we can turn him on loose. What they eat, shad?
Yeah, I think both of them are. Yeah. And then number six is the
Skip.
yeah. He was getting hit hurt.
Heck yeah. Well, that spot turned out to be pretty good pretty quick. Nothing just huge, but a couple of fish.
Go with it. Your mom's the host.
Still recording. Really? He said he's thinking about it. I think I can. Look like a little flathead to me.
Go with it. Smacking on it. Yeah, what a second.
You done got him mad now. He's too little, man. He can't take that. He's just too small. You gotta talk mean to him.
Well, Rusty could do better than that. He didn't like that. He said, alright, whatever. Go with it.
The other one's going too, or he's in it. One of the two. See it? Yes. You don't see the rod bending down at the same time? He's in it. Yep. No! Got in 3 lines. Oh. My left hand.
You know, with all this lead in fact, it was pretty good.
I ain't laughing. This is about I'm gonna give him the beans now.
Very, very.
Yeah. Still real long. I would have. Gave him the beans or nothing. Oh my God. Oh. Well, we might be out of commission for a while. One little dink took us into 3 lines. That's always cool. The struggle is real. Michael gonna sit here looking like he's sewing, crocheting in the back, trying to get him unhung. Done whooped them all out of here. They scared.
Maybe not.
Uh-oh. Fish on.
Well, this is exciting.
Oh, my pink. I don't even know if he's that big, but he's mean as hell. He's fighting like really strange.
You want to see a fish, fella?
Don't jinx me.
I was just kidding, not yet.
It's spinning circles, but it's heavyish. You know what I'm saying?
Big strike.
No.
Big and strike.
Probably a big old loggerhead turtle. It's a blue, but a pretty decent for the river. We don't usually catch a whole lot of it. He's just making me drag him in.
He's lazy. He's waiting till you get him in the boat.
He's really dark. I'm recording right now too. We're up here, you know. I mean, we don't usually catch many big blues here, or decent ones. He just quit. Like he just gave up. Like he's short, but he's fat.
Like the 30 I called on the river.
Oh, there. Yeah, it's short.
He may go 30.
Looks awesome. Can you stop that net? No. 32.6, so he's like 30. Yeah, about 30. The net's 2.2 maybe. So he's like a little over 30. Hey, we wouldn't have had a bad day for him. That flathead and a 15 pounder had about 75 pounds. That's not bad. That's better than we did at the last one. We didn't even have, we had like 62. Yeah, we had 62. 62 something. Yeah, it was 64 and a half. We had almost 63. All right, y'all. Got him unhooked. 30 and some change. Sorry if the sun's killing it, but woo, it was kind of a little bit of a fight, and he made me drag him in about halfway. He just quit coming to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn him loose, looking like I'm about to catch another one, and I'm gonna get this one turned back. I didn't like that angle right there. He didn't like that, even though I was letting him go. He didn't want to go home, I don't guess. I'm about to get one like Michael Jackson, son. With the one glove. Shimona. He don't know what he wants to do. It looks like a little flathead to me.
Dude, troublemakers.
Blue's dink at it. He's actually pulling on it.
See if I can bail down.
More of a sweep instead of a hook set like bass.
I got one.
You gotta wait until he tries to pull it away from you. That's your best shot. Or else you'll pull it slap out of his mouth.
Got him. All the bass fishing paid off. It hooks up. That was a good one.
You did it right though. This is more of a sweep, but you want to wait until they're trying to take it away from you in the other direction.
It's kind of somewhat what he was doing. He's got his mouth open.
I made me some shorts.
You pull them up?
Yeah.
Look like that.
Told you. I had a feeling.
Low video fella.
He is a little bitty fella. He looks cool.
Lucky. If you had a fish tank.
When you said little, I just thought maybe you meant just like he ain't really that big. No, you meant little.
No, I mean little. Like a fish tank little.
Yeah. He had like a few 100-gallon tank, like a big old fish tank.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Maybe like 200 gallons.
Show them that monster.
May need help.
That's cool.
Losing weight.
He's cool.
Got Brandon.
Don't really?
Yep.
Let me see.
There you go.
Ain't nothing in there.
Eight. He said,
So he got a brim and then he got your shad?
yeah. Like his colors. You want a picture of it?
Oh yeah.
Show your girlfriend.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's a monster.
If I hold it, he's really gonna look like a monster.
You look like a minnow.
Yeah.
See you later, big dog.
He was a hoss.
Alabama state record in the near future. You know what?
Now I can put her back in the monster hole. I had it right off the end of that tree, like at the very end. Man, let me tell you what, styling out here. It's hot. It was cold this morning. It's this crazy spring, early spring Alabama weather. I didn't bring no shorts, so you gotta roll up the jeans on the boots. Thought about making me a set of jorts, but decided to not cut my pants legs off. Is that the one you had on? No, that's the one that the fish stole from you. He got dinner without paying the price. He dined and dashed.
His little brother paid for it though.
He had to wash dishes. Didn't have no money.
Ain't even put up the top today.
No.
And your little son.
Them my legs.
Have to get you some animal spray on them.
Dude, I'd be burnt. You talking about burnt. I'd be about the color of that bait board right there. Looking like Larry the Lobster on SpongeBob. Mr. Crab.
That's how I get when I go to the beach. Because I don't know when to leave the pier. Because I'm catching fish.
Catching fish and catching sun poisoning.
I mean, yeah. At least I'm catching fish, though.